Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. A lot of people ask, Pat, what do you do? What do you do for people to help them? I'm interested in becoming a better investor. Trading? No, not a trader, okay? Not day trading, none of that. And I'm not knocking it, just we don't do that. Bigger money is made in trends. That's a fact. We ride trends. Trends come from, by and large, longer bases. Something we focus on. I've been doing this for over 30 years. I was there for the crash of '87. I've had lunch with Bill O'Neill twice. I'm sitting here trying to figure this out. That's what I did for years, studying charts of past great winners. I'm going to show you an example here. This is IIPR from this year. One of the foundations we found is this. Stocks that have a longer base provide a better launch pad for a good move. IIPR. I've slid this chart back to June 4th. Advance it a day. It starts to pick up. See that nice long base? I'm going to draw it. Well, I won't draw it, but you can just see it. Nice long base. Take out these tops on volume, going all the way back to here. It's a buy. And it does it on a pickup in volume. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Advance it. And it does this. And folks, this is a good move. This is what we look for. Action like this. From here to here, about a 50% move in a relatively short period of time. But you have constraints that help you, and I want to show you this. Our research has found that stocks that have great earnings and or great sales make good moves. Before this stock broke out, these were the earnings in the prior quarter. We bought this right here, 41% gain in 6 weeks. We bought this on June 5th. June 5th. Right there is the day we bought. June 5th. You can see it if you look up here, 6.5. We told the VIPs about it and made a video on it before it broke out with the buy price to the penny. And that's what we do. One of the things we do. It's not just giving ideas, it's explaining why. To know that 2 + 2 = 4 is knowledge. To know why 2 + 2 = 4 is knowledge that's transferable to other situations. And that is power. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. It's what we do, and I hope it helps you.